earthquake is a natural phenomenon that can be disastrous. It's the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, causing the ground to vibrate, shake, and sometimes displacement of the ground. An earthquake can trigger secondary events such as fire, plague, mudslides, rock falls, and tsunami. If you're by the ocean, run towards high ground as fast as you can. If you're next to a hill, stay away from the hillside area.
Dito sa atin, mapalad naman tayo at hindi tayo napuruhan kahit paniyanig ng magnitude 7.6 na lindol ang ilang probinsya sa Visayas at Mindanao nitong katapusan ng Agosto. Sa mga coastal areas kasi tumama ang malakas na lindol. Ngunit hindi raw tayo dapat magpakakampante, lalo pat dapat daw nating paghandaan ang magnitude 7.2 na posibleng tumama raw dito mismo sa Metro Manila. Ayon kasi sa pag-aaral ng Japan International Cooperation Agency kasama ang Metro Manila Development Authority at Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology noong 2004, maaaring gumalaw anumang oras ang West Valley Fault sa Metro Manila na itinuturing na mas higit na mapinsala. Kaya naman ang nagbabadyang sakunang ito, binansagan ng mga ekspertong The Big One. Pinag-uusapang West Valley Fault nagsisimula sa Angat sa Bulacan at dumaraan sa mga lungsod ng Quezon, Marikina, Pasig, Makati, Pateros, Muntinlupa hanggang sa bayan ng Carmona sa Cavite. Ayon pa sa pag-aaral, taong 1700 pa nang huling gumalaw ang West Valley. Kapag gumalaw ang West Valley Fault, aabot sa kalahating milyong bahay ang mapipinsala. 9 na tulay ang masisira. 400 gusali na may 10 palapag ang babagsak. 13 kilometro ng linya ng kuryente ang mabubuwal. Pati mga koneksyon din daw ng tubig mapuputol. Masisira ang kalsada, kaya ang mga paliparan at daungan mapipilitang magsara. Ang higit na kinatatakutan ng lahat, aabot sa 100,000 katao ang masusugatan at 35,000 ang posibleng mamatay.
Measures that can be taken before an earthquake. Battery-operated radio, flashlight, fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and emergency kit need to be ready and always available. E. Encourage to learn first aid. Familiarize how to use emergency equipment. Learn how to turn off gas, water, and electricity valve. Overall plan where to meet your family after earthquake. Rearrange and anchor heavy objects, furniture and appliances to wall where they could not fall. Earthquake plan in your workplace and school must be learned and practiced at all times. Measures that can be taken during an earthquake. Do deep breathing exercise and stay safe and calm. Up against the wall near the center of the building, or stand in the doorway. Rush, duck and crawl to the nearest table or desk and move away from the windows. If you are in a vehicle, stop and stay inside. If you are indoors, stay inside, and if you are outside, stay outside until the earthquake stops. No matter what, stay away from power lines and broken lines, and using candles and matches or any flames are strictly prohibited. go for safety flays and using elevators are not allowed during earthquakes, and practice the duck, cover, and hold. Measures that can be taken after an earthquake. Always check yourself and others for trauma or injuries and administer first aid if needed. Follow the protocol in checking and turning off electrical, water, and gas lines. If the gas stink, unlock all the windows and doors. Leave immediately and report it to the authority. Turn on the battery-operated radio for updates about the earthquake. Don't use phones unless it's an emergency. Ensure your safety and others from the broken glass. Stay out of the damaged building. Be ready for the aftershocks and follow the school's emergency plan or instructions of the person in charge.